Welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the trailer that we're taking to Canada. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, you can see that video here. If you've never met us before, we are the Huntingtons. We like to adventure near and far, and now we have a chance to live full-time in a trailer in Canada, and we are going to take it. But first, let's show you around the trailer we're planning on taking with us. Okay, this is the new trailer. It is a Radiance 28 QB. Let's see, where do we start? Here's the kitchen area, a little bit of storage, and then like this cute little sink here, 3-burner stove. This is actually an air fryer, which is great, except it only runs when you are plugged into power because it's not run by propane, but it works well. Microwave up there. This is a electric and propane fridge. It's smaller than just the 12-volt ones, but it does fit quite a bit of stuff in it. So on this side over here, we have the TV and little entertainment center. And then this couch folds out into quite a large bed. And then the table here also comes down into a bed. This is the pantry space here. It's quite deep. And then thermostat. Here is the bathroom. There is not a ton of storage in the bathroom, but it's okay. With the shower and a little bathtub. If you leave the wand up on the wall like it is, the bathtub does leak, so that is kind of a downside. But back here is the bunk bed room. Got 2 bunk beds on this side, storage underneath. Then like a little TV stand, which we use as a dresser, bunk bed on top. And then back here is a little table that has storage underneath the seats, as well as it comes down into the 4th bunk bed. Okay. Then up here, both of these doors lead to the master bedroom. Just in here, supposedly a king-size bed. Mine and my husband's feet both hang off. Storage above and 2 little closet spaces. This bed is interesting. It's created so that you can slide it from side to side so that you can reach the storage space underneath, which is down there. Can't really see it, sorry. Anyway, we don't slide it side to side because we'd rather have the space on the sides for storage, but it does do that. And that is the inside of the trailer. Also did forget to show you guys this. So there is gas and electric water heater. This is all the lights outside and inside in the water pump. And how you put in and out the slide and check the fresh water and the gray water and stuff. Okay. Let's go to the outside. Here we go. Got here is like a trunk space. So we fit a lot of stuff in there. Should pull it all out for you. But then there's also some storage space under this, but it's not really quite usable because you have to pull everything out to store anything under it. Back here we have a griddle area. And it has a little mini fridge that only works when you're plugged into power, pretty much. And then here is storage space and a griddle. So this is not a barbecue grill like with the bars and everything. Let me show you. I'll set it up. Okay, so this is the griddle. It's run on propane. Light it here. This is the propane plug here. It goes underneath here. You basically push this back, put it in, and then you pull it forward to get it to attach. This is on and off switch right here. And so it connects to the propane there. So that's actually pretty cool. These are electric jacks, so you don't have to crank them. You just push the button. Not jacks, actually. These are stabilizers. They do not lift the trailer or anything like that. So that's those. Back here, we've just got the bumper with the thing in it. These are kind of nice. It's for like an outside power spray for spraying off bikes and stuff. There's several of them around the trailer. And then Over here is water and electrical and sewer hookups. Okay guys, that is basically it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our Canada trip, and we'll catch you on the next one.